Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see where is music player in Motorola mobiles. First of all, let me show you my mobile brand and model. See, this is Moto Edge 50 Mobile N. Now I will try to search for music player app on my mobile. I couldn't find any Moto music player app. Instead, there's YT Music app and one more app which I downloaded from Play Store. Then I searched all over the internet for the official music app for Moto mobiles. Then I came to know YT Music from Google as the official music app for Moto mobiles, or at least for this specific mobile. If you are also using Moto mobiles, please comment your model. Let us see how you can use YT Music app. To play downloaded music files, click on Library and filter to Device Files, option at top. Here you will find all the music files which are available on your mobile internal storage. You can also play online music on this app. Online music is from YouTube, okay. And the other app I have on my mobile is Musicolet app, which I downloaded just a test. If you want a review video on that music player, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.